I need to share with you guys what I'm making right now. I've never made anything like this before. I cut up a banana, just like regular circle slices, and then I put them on the stove and I fried them in avocado oil. And then after that I put a bunch of cinnamon on the bananas, and then I grabbed a tortilla and then I spread peanut butter all over the tortilla, and then I put the fried bananas in the tortilla and I put more cinnamon on top, and then I rolled it into like a burrito, and now I am crisping it in this burrito right now. And I'm thinking about dipping it in yogurt. Is this a crazy idea? I've never done anything like this before, and I think maybe it's like an insane thing. I should make like a day in my life video of like a day in my life, what I eat in LA, and it's shit like this. What am I even doing right now? Guys, I had no idea that today was going to be another day alone. Like, Max is in the shower right now, but after that, hold on, I'm gonna turn this fan off. Max is in the shower right now, but after that, he's gonna go to the same place that he was yesterday, meeting up with a different person today, and I'm like, oh man, what should I do today? I was thinking about filming a video. I'm thinking about starting like a series, not like a series, like based on one topic, but I'm waiting for this to cool down. I'm about to try it, but I was thinking about starting a series of like doing crochet related discussions, like podcast episodes, because there was a time I wanted to listen to a crochet podcast and it was like nothing came up. The only thing that came up was like this really, really bad unprofessional thing that was like from 2023. So I was like, why not create what I'm searching for? Like, I feel like crochet is a big thing where people like to share their creations and stuff, but it's not a big thing as like a discussion, like a topic. And that's something I would really want to listen to. So all right, it's cooled off. It's time to try it. I don't really know. Hold on. It's not the worst thing in the world. It's peanut butter, it's bread, it's bananas, and cinnamon. Like, what could really go wrong? But it's just interesting. If the tortilla was not crispy, this would be really bad. That's so satisfying. It's just like completely, wow. I feel like Max doesn't really even eat yogurt, so like, would it be crazy if I just dipped it in here? I'm doing a taste test of my banana peanut butter cinnamon burrito.
Okay.
With yogurt.
Is it good?
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Wanna try?
Yeah. I like that. The wrap is like a little burnt, right? But I think that's like where the bitterness is coming from. But if it was like 10 to 15% less burnt, that would be a really delicious snack. And then maybe like have a little honey in the yogurt and a bowl on the side, dip it in there, whip it up. That's kind of fun.
It's good with the yogurt.
Let me try. This is actually really good. I like it. Yeah, I'm saying like get a little side bowl, put some honey in, put some yogurt in, and that's like the sauce, you know?
I like it.
Oh, good. I really like that.
Mm-hmm.
She ate. Yeah, that's good. I want more. I'm hungry.